India's victory march at the Commonwealth Games 2026 continues to power forward. Medal after medal, new records and historic wins have filled the entire nation with pride. From weightlifting to judo and boxing, Indian athletes have shown the world their strength. Over the next 5 minutes, here are today's biggest and most glorious stories from the world of sport. We begin with India's powerhouse weightlifter, Lovepreet Singh, who delivered a stunning performance at the Commonwealth Games 2026, adding yet another medal to India's tally. In the men's plus 110 kg weightlifting event, Lovepreet lifted a combined total of 388 kg to claim the silver medal, setting a new Commonwealth Games snatch record of 176 kg along the way. Gold slipped away by just a single kilogram, with New Zealand's David Litty clinching the top spot with a Games record lift of 389 kg. Despite narrowly missing gold, Lovepreet's remarkable performance won the hearts of the entire nation. President Draupadi Murmu also congratulated him on the achievement, wishing him a bright future ahead. Now to India's star discus thrower, Seema Kaliraman. Seema produced a brilliant throw of 58.65 meters in the women's discus throw event to claim the bronze medal, adding one more medal to India's growing tally. Fellow Indian athlete Nidhi Rani also put in a strong performance but finished fourth with a throw of 57.10 meters, narrowly missing out on the podium. Jamaica's Samantha Hall won gold in the event, while Canada's Julia Tunks claimed silver. President Draupadi Murmu congratulated Seema Kaliraman on her achievement, praising her outstanding performance. Let's head now to the boxing ring, where India's young boxer Sakshi Chaudhary has booked her place in the final with a superb display. Winning her semi-final bout in the women's 51 kg category, Sakshi has already secured a silver medal, and all eyes are now on the final as Indian sports fans hope she can go all the way and clinch gold for the country. Now to the historic win that has added a brand new chapter to Indian sporting history. India's star judoka Asmita Dey defeated Canada's Heidi Quach 2-1 in the women's 48 kg category, delivering India's first ever gold medal in judo at the Commonwealth Games. As soon as Asmita sealed the win, the Indian national anthem echoed through the arena for the first time ever during a judo competition at the Games. An emotional Asmita Dey dedicated the gold medal to her family, her coach, and everyone who stood by her through her toughest days. She also expressed her gratitude to Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi also congratulated her on this historic achievement. And finally, let's talk about another Indian boxer, Narendra. In the men's 90 kg semi-final, Narendra delivered a dominant performance, defeating Trinidad or Tobago's Nigel Paul in a one-sided 5-0 decision to book his place in the final, sealing his silver medal, with the entire country now hoping he can go one step further and win gold. So overall, India's stellar run at the Commonwealth Games 2026 continues unabated, with new medals, new records, and new milestones, strengthening the country's place on the global sporting stage every single day. The confidence, hard work, and passion of these athletes prove that Indian sport is now marching toward new heights. With hope that the tricolour will fly the highest in the matches ahead too. That wraps up today's Sports Roundup. If you enjoyed this video, do like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next sports update.